The Supernal 5 bed system from Transfer Master has 5 functions. It has head, foot, high, low, and also, as you see it here, this is the reverse Trendelenburg position. So you can get the bed completely flat, but still be in a head elevated position. That allows you, if you have something like a congestive issue with congestive issues or acid reflux, you can be in a head elevated position, but still be completely flat. Also great for getting your head elevated, but also if you're a side sleeper. You can see as the bed rotates and goes flat, and you can raise the footrest and the headrest. Also, you can see the bed tilting. You got a full tilt. It really allows you to get into infinite a number of positions, so you can get into the position that makes you feel the most comfortable for the best rest that you can get.